Hi, I'm Jomar Pasamonte C, residing at Barangay San Pablo Propio in the municipality of San Simon and province of Pampanga. In college, I took Bachelor of Elementary Education at Don Honorio Ventura State University, Santo Tomas Campus, also known as DABSU. In this short video clip, I will share my progress and development in teaching. And that progress and development is because of our great professors in our university. For the past few years and past semesters, we, our classmates, acquire different informations and knowledge. But not just that, we acquire also the wisdom and the proper way of teaching. While staying in our university, while studying in our university, we learn a lot. We boost our confidence. If before we have no any idea on how to social interact with other people and how to face a lot of people in front of you, but now because of our university, we acquire a lot of information. We boost, we nurture our confidence, and now we are ready to teach in real situation. But before I entered the university, before I enrolled at Don Honorio Ventura State University, Santo Tomas campus, I asked myself before the graduation at senior high school, I asked myself if what exactly the program I will take in college. And if I go in college, do I survive college life? Can I give my best? That was the common questions I asked before. But now, I am confident to myself because we learned, we gleaned a lot of knowledge. And not just the knowledge, we also learned about the different theories in teaching. One of our professor in our university at Don Honorio Ventura State University, Santo Tomas campus, gave an activity to her students. And that student, that was us. And that activity is important. So, as an activity, you all need to video yourself stating what had you become after these years that you are being trained to be an educator, that you are being trained to be an educator. Like what I said a while ago, we have no any idea how to be a teacher, how to be an efficient teacher. But because of the past years and past semester studying in our university, by the help of our great professors, or we can call them as our motivator, we gleaned information. We develop. We find out what exactly the proper way of teaching. And that information will bring us to the success. Before we have no any idea how to approach students. We have no any idea what are the things we need to do. But because of the information, because of the knowledge, because of the wisdoms, and because of the theory of education, we boost our confidence to face other people, to face a lot of people, not just our classmates, not just our professors, but also other people out of this school. And that confidence is one of the capacity or capability of a great teacher. Guys, I know we face a lot of problems while we are studying, but If you took education and you have the passion in teaching, then go for it. You have to fight for your dreams. Because sooner or later, you will become a great and a very important teacher in our society.